Hello everyone, this is Ben with WTI. I want to tell you my thoughts on the 1 terabyte USB 2.0 flash drive by GTIOT. So basically you use it like any other USB drive. You just unfold it, put the stick in the USB slot. It starts off as exFAT mode, so that's good. It can work from Windows or a Mac. It will read up to 30 megabytes per second and write up to 20. The best part about this drive is that you have 1 terabyte, that's 1,000 gigabytes in this little tiny lightweight flash drive you can keep in your pocket. So you can means all your videos, all your pictures, your music, you can carry around with you and have portable to take it wherever you go. I think this is a great buy, especially for the money, and that's my point of view.